The Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 lineup appears to be an evolutionary step rather than a revolutionary breakthrough. According to leaks and reports, the changes primarily emphasize incremental hardware improvements while maintaining a familiar design language. With no confirmed news of a Galaxy Watch Ultra 2, the spotlight remains on whether Samsung can significantly enhance the wearable experience. For those considering an upgrade, the core question is, are these refinements sufficient to justify the investment? A standout aspect of the Galaxy Watch 8 is its noticeably larger battery. Reports suggest the larger 44mm model will house a 435 mAh battery, a slight bump from the Galaxy Watch 7's 425 mAh. Although this represents a technological advancement, its real-world impact on battery longevity is expected to be minimal. For context, the Galaxy Watch 7 typically delivered around 22 hours of use per charge. With only a marginal increase, users likely won't experience a dramatic improvement in battery endurance. If extended battery life is a priority, this upgrade might seem underwhelming. However, for casual users who charge their devices daily, even a modest enhancement could offer a slightly better experience. Samsung is expected to unveil 4 Galaxy Watch 8 variants, 2 standard and 2 classic models, each available in Wi-Fi only and LTE versions. The classic editions are rumored to retain the iconic rotating bezel, a hallmark of Samsung's smartwatch identity. This tactile interface not only delivers a premium feel but also enhances usability, making it a favorite among longtime users. For those who prefer a sleek, minimal look, the basic models may be more appealing. Yet, fans of the rotating bezel will likely be drawn to the classic variants, which continue to distinguish themselves in a competitive market. This decision underscores Samsung's commitment to addressing diverse user preferences. Health and fitness tracking have long been central to Samsung's smartwatch offerings, and the Galaxy Watch 8 is poised to build upon this legacy. While detailed information remains limited, potential upgrades could include 1. Refined heart rate tracking for greater precision during workouts and daily activities. 2. Advanced sleep analysis offering deeper insights into sleep quality and patterns. 3. New metrics such as skin temperature readings, providing more data for wellness-focused users. These improvements could make the Galaxy Watch 8 a more valuable tool for those with health and fitness goals. Whether monitoring daily activity, tracking sleep, or seeking holistic health insights, these potential upgrades may enrich the user experience. Samsung is reportedly developing a revamped user interface (UI) for the Galaxy Watch 8 to further refine navigation and usability. Over time, Samsung has consistently enhanced its wearable software, and a more intuitive UI could elevate the overall experience. A smoother, user-friendly interface would especially benefit first-time users or those upgrading from older models. In addition to software refinements, durability enhancements are anticipated. These may include 1. Improved water and dust resistance, better suiting the watch for active, outdoor lifestyles. 2. More robust materials to enhance scratch and impact resistance, ensuring long-term reliability. For individuals with adventurous routines, these durability updates may make the Galaxy Watch 8 a more compelling choice. One of the more intriguing elements of this release cycle is the complete absence of leaks or announcements about a Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. This void has sparked speculation about whether Samsung intends to delay or discontinue the Ultra series altogether. For users in search of a premium, feature-rich model, this uncertainty may be disappointing. The lack of an Ultra variant leaves a noticeable gap in Samsung's lineup, particularly for those desiring a top-tier smartwatch. Whether this reflects a strategic pivot or a temporary pause remains to be seen. Samsung's next Unpacked event, reportedly scheduled for August 2024, is expected to provide clear details about the Galaxy Watch 8 range. Until then, many questions persist regarding whether the new models will deliver enough innovation to encourage upgrades. While minor changes like a slightly larger battery and software tweaks are welcome, they may not be compelling enough to excite current users deeply integrated into the Samsung ecosystem. For prospective buyers, the decision to upgrade will hinge on how much they value these subtle enhancements. If you're coming from an older smartwatch or are new to Samsung wearables, the Galaxy Watch 8 could still present a strong value proposition. However, for those already using recent models, the changes may feel too minor to justify switching. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic offers a calculated refinement in Samsung's smartwatch series. With incremental hardware upgrades, potential software improvements, and the continued inclusion of popular elements like the rotating bezel, it seems poised to attract a broad user base. Ultimately, its success will depend on how well these refinements align with user expectations. As launch day nears, all eyes are on Samsung to see if the Galaxy Watch 8 can strike the right balance between innovation and familiarity, offering enough value to warrant an upgrade while maintaining the beloved features that define its smartwatch heritage. Among the most talked about elements of the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is the rumored return of the rotating bezel. This tactile control, allowing users to navigate menus by physically rotating the bezel, has long been a standout feature of Samsung's watches. Its removal in earlier models disappointed many loyal users, but its comeback may reignite enthusiasm among devoted fans. While the rotating bezel adds both functionality and charm, it might come with design compromises. For instance, incorporating this mechanism may slightly reduce battery space compared to bezel-less designs. Nonetheless, its return reflects Samsung's willingness to reintroduce fan-favorite features, even if it requires balancing aesthetics and performance. Recent certifications have confirmed the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic's existence, indicating a launch is imminent. These leaks not only validate rumors but also suggest Samsung is building anticipation ahead of its official reveal. Alongside product hype, Samsung is expected to offer trade-in deals and promotional incentives to motivate existing users to upgrade. Such initiatives could help make the Galaxy Watch 8 series more accessible while encouraging adoption across various consumer segments. These efforts reflect Samsung's ongoing dedication to maintaining its leadership in wearable tech. The Galaxy Watch 8 series reflects Samsung's emphasis on meeting diverse user needs through purposeful design and feature differentiation. Whether you're enticed by the nostalgic appeal of the rotating bezel, intrigued by improved battery life, or waiting for the high-end Ultra model, this lineup likely includes a watch that aligns with your preferences. As the launch draws near, the Galaxy Watch 8 series promises to be an exciting chapter in Samsung's wearable journey. By blending innovation with user-centered design, Samsung seems poised to strengthen its foothold in the smartwatch arena, delivering devices that cater to various lifestyles and priorities. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates and reviews.